Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to change folder color on Mac using Preview. So let us get started. First, right-click or Control-click on the folder you want to customize. Select Get Info from the context menu. This will open a window with information about the folder. In the Folder Info window, click on the folder icon in the upper left corner to highlight it. Next, click on the Edit option in the menu bar at the top left of the screen. Then select Copy from the drop-down menu. This will copy the folder icon to your clipboard. Now, open the Preview app on your Mac. In Preview, click on File in the menu bar. Select New from Clipboard. This action will create a new image document with the copied folder icon. To change the color of the folder, select Markup tool in Preview. It looks like the tip of a pencil. Then, click on the Adjust Color icon. It looks like a prism with light shining through. This will open the Adjust Color window. In the Adjust Color window, use the tint slider to adjust the color of the folder icon. Slide it from left to right until you find the color you desire. Once satisfied, click the X in the upper left corner of the window to close it. With the colored folder selected, press Command+C to copy it to the clipboard. Return to the folder info box from earlier by right-clicking on the folder you want to customize and selecting Get Info again. Click on the folder icon in the Finder info box, then press Command+V to paste the new colored folder icon from the clipboard. Finally, close the folder info box and your folder will now have the new color you selected. If you wish to change the color of other folders, simply repeat the process for each folder you want to customize. Keep in mind that this method only changes the folder icon's appearance and does not alter the folder's functionality or content. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.